This is a 15-minute walking at home with Lucy indoor walking workout. This is incredible for your health, for your fitness, if you're looking to lose weight, if you want a knee-friendly workout, low impact, all standing. And the first move is going to be part of a warm-up. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're just going to start with doing a little side step. So just follow along. So it's this side step, and we're just going to add in these arms as well. And this is just a really lovely, simple little move. And how it's going to work today, we're going to be doing 15 minutes of non-stop walking at home. Every 30 seconds, we're going to change the walk slightly. But I want you just to have fun. We're just moving our bodies at home, just with this indoor walk. All right, that's good. Just going from side to side. So now what I want you to do is just march really fast for me on the spot. And the great thing is with this walking workout, it's also incredible for things like our bone health as well as our joint health. So let's just keep going. So we're marching on the spot, power through with those arms, and these 15 minutes are going to fly by today. Let's just keep that going. Always make sure you land nice and softly on those heels for me. So for your next move, this time we're going to do a side step, and now we're just going to clap low and then take the arms up high. So just follow along. Now the reason why I'm doing this is by adding in the arm movement just means we're increasing your calorie burn, plus we're going to be toning and working through lots more muscles and also helping with joint health as well. So it's reach up and then reach low, and again just keep that lateral side step for me. So for your next move, let's take it straight back now to your fast power march. So really simple little routine, easy to do this. And exercise, about getting results, it's about being consistent. What we want to do is just make exercise part of our lifestyle. We want to be able to enjoy it. And this is where this is great, that we can just do these quick walks at home. All right, that's good. Just keep going with those feet, keep marching. So for your next move, this time now, we're just going to do another little lateral side step, but just imagine that you're climbing up a ladder. So we're just taking those arms up. And the other thing this is really good for right now is we're working your coordination. What we refer to in a way is like motor skills. So this really helps with brain fitness because your body is having to think about all the different moves that you're doing. So it's working your brain, because your brain is a muscle as well. All right, let's keep that going. And now what I want you to do is we're just going to do a real power march. So see here, we're going a little bit slower, but really drive that knee up, drive those arms up. That's that good fast march, but we're just doing it with a slightly higher knee. Driving that through, that's good. Keep that upper body nice and tall for me. Powering that up, you'll really feel that working through the lower body. All right, so for your next move, this time just follow along. Tap that toe in front, just lift those arms up. So this one here, we're really activating through the front of your thighs. It's also a really lovely one to stretch through what's called the tibialis anterior. That's your shin muscle, just getting a nice stretch. And today we've got no rest. We're just going straight from one move to another. And that's where it's low impact. So this time now, straight back to your really, really fast march. But this is great if you're on a journey where you're wanting to lose weight. These walking exercises are perfect. They're low impact. They're safe for you to do. And it's also incredible for your health, your joint health, your muscular health, your metabolic health, mental health. All right, that's good. So just keep marching on the spot. Landing nice and softly with those feet. All right, so for this move, we're just going to do that lateral side step, but we're going to add in the arms. So punch down, punch in front, punch up. So down, in front, and up. Down, in front, up. Just keeping that going. That's good. So again, see what we're doing here? We're working on your motor skills, so we're working on your brain fitness as well. And this is really easy to do. If you like this workout, you can do this every single day. You don't even need to be in your trainers. You could do this first thing in the morning in your pajamas. Now let's bring it back to that slower march, but that really high knee drive, and just really extend up with those arms. That's good. Keeping that nice upper body nice and tall. And remember, you can always, if you prefer to have music, you don't have to have me talking. You can just turn me down and just put on your favorite playlist. That's good. And keep that going. So for your next move, this time now, just walk forwards for me and give me a knee lift. So walk forwards, so it's as if you're walking forwards to the camera, and then knee lift. Knee lift, that's good. Keeping that going. And we've got less than 10 minutes to go. This is just going to fly by. And if you like these Walk with Lucy at home, do let me know, because I can do lots more of these walking workouts for you. And you can also let me know if you prefer like 15-minute, 20-minute shorter ones. So now we're going to do 2 side steps. So travel it 2 for me. And I tell you what, I want you to stay nice and low. So the lower you're staying, what I'm doing right now, we are working those leg muscles a little bit harder. And the great thing is with this, it's going to help with your balance, your mobility, plus your flexibility. So stay low, side to side. And well done. All right, let's bring it back now. Just that really, really fast march. So we're getting those steps up. And if you like walking, I do have a product which is my 30 exercise cards. These are indoor walking cards. So the idea is you print them off and then you can create your own walking workout. You have over 30 different exercise cards. So you can put them out on your floor, and you might just think you just want to pick 10 cards and you look at those exercises. You might want to do 30 minutes, but it's just a really fun way that you can create your own indoor walking exercise. Now this time, side step and just pull those arms back. I'll leave the details at the end of the video as well in the description down below. So just pull those arms. So it's that lateral little side step, keeping that going. Side to side. And the great thing is with these side steps, they're working what we call your abductors and adductors. That's the side thigh muscles. Now this time, drive that knee up. Remember, it's that slower march, but it's that really powerful knee drive. So this is great for working through your glutes, powering those up, and also through the arms. And as I said, this is really good for your joint health. So this is really good if you've got stiff joints, if you suffer with joint pain. This will really help because we're really helping to increase the fluid through the joints by exercising. The fluid called synovial fluid. We're increasing that. Now give me this hamstring curl. Draw the arms in. So this little knee bend here, hamstrings. The stronger our hamstrings are, the better knee health we have as well. Just land nice and softly. Just keep going. Draw in those arms. Just imagine with those arms you're pulling something in. All right, so now we're going to take it back to a side step, but just imagine you're giving me a high five, and we are less than halfway through this workout, so it is flying by. Let's just keep going and having fun. And what I want you to do right now is just think what you are doing is you are taking control of your health, of your energy, your well-being. You're going to feel great after doing this quick 15-minute walking at home workout. High five, keep going with those high fives. Brilliant, well done. Let's take it back to that super fast power march now. Just increasing your steps. And even though we're walking nice and fast, keep going. Just make sure you are landing nice and softly. Fast feet, increasing those daily steps. That's good, keeping that going. All right, so for your next move, this time now, we're going to walk forwards and we're just going to do a little tap and give me a clap. There we are, that rhymes, a tap and a clap. Let's keep going and add a big smile. Let's have fun. Exercise doesn't have to be about doing burpees. So if you're not a burpee girl, then don't you worry. Just carry on doing these lovely low impact, and low impact workouts are just as effective as doing the high jumping ones. The key thing is about finding the workout you enjoy. Right, let's now take it back to that power knee drive. drive it up, keep that upper body nice and tall. Think how incredible your body is. It's strong, you're healthy, you're fit, you're moving right now. And it's also just about being grateful that we can do these moves. As I always say, it's less about how our body looks, it's more about how our body feels. It's what's happening on the inside is what's important. All right, doing really well. So now let's bring it straight back now to that fast march on the spot. So we've got less than 5 minutes to go for today's training at home. Keep those feet going. And let's just really boost your step count by taking those feet nice and fast. Still keep using those arms. So we're mobilizing through the joints. We're working through your shoulders, triceps. That's good. Keeping that going. Doing really well. So we're working your full body. Now for this move, just follow along. So we're just going to swing the arms straight in front and just take the leg behind. So it's a really lovely, I always say it's a bit like a cross-country ski move, this. And it doesn't matter if you don't get the move straight away. We're at home, who cares what we look like? The fact is we're moving our body. And what I'm deliberately doing this workout is quickly transitioning from one move to the other because we're working on our brain fitness as well. So now let's bring it up, knee lift, but this time just give me a slight twist through the upper body. So you're taking your elbow, you can take both arms if you want to make it harder, over the opposite knee. And this is just going to really work and sculpt through your waist, through your core, through your trunk mobility as well. That's it, doing really well, keeping that focused, getting fitter, getting stronger. We can feel all those muscles working. So now let's bring it back to that knee drive, that power drive. Drive that knee up. And do let me know at the end of this video if you've enjoyed the simplicity of this workout and the fact it's just non-stop, because I can definitely do more in this style and format for you. All right, drive that knee up. Upper body is staying straight. That's good. And it's approximately every 30 seconds we're changing that walking exercise move. All right, so this time now we're going to do 2 side steps and then just squeeze the arms in. So I'm working a little bit more through your chest and your shoulders. We're aiming to keep those elbows in line with the shoulders. Squeeze that in. So again, it's a lovely lateral move here. And if you're not already, come and find me on Facebook. We've got a Lucy's Squad group as well as the Lucy's Squad page, and then you can meet your fellow Lucy's Squad members. All right, so now let's just march out, fast march, power march out, fast as you can. Oh, and then we have a little princess. I think that's Princess Sultana running past. Keeping that going, keep those fast feet going. Getting as many steps in as we can in this quick little home workout. All right, well done. Doing really well. Let's just keep going. We've nearly finished today. So for this move, we're just going to do a half impact style. So just step 1 foot out, then take the same side arm up and over. Lovely move, lovely full body move here. Low impact, just going from one side to the other. Oh, she's coming in to inspect. Yes, she says, you're doing well. Keep going. And we all need our own trainer. She's my trainer. She's checking your technique now. All right, so now let's go for a side step. But this time we're going to just swing one leg, across. She's putting me off, and just give me these lovely sunshine arms. Let's have fun with this move. If you don't get it straight away this time, when you come back, do this workout perhaps tomorrow, you'll be more familiar with these moves. So you're bringing that foot across, great for working the inner thighs, and we're giving those sunshine arms. So that's working into the waist. And now let's take it back up to that power knee drive. Drive that up, so it's like we're doing that little power walk. Really powerful. Keeping that upper body nice and tall for me. Doing really well. Drive that knee up. She's coming back to inspect. All right, that's good. She's checking you now. And just keep going, driving that knee up. And we've just got one more move to go, and let's just finish with this really lovely, powerful, energizing move. So step forwards and give me a tap and give me these big, happy sunshine arms. We've taken control of your health today. Simple exercise. You can do this with me every single day. It's body weight. Remember, body weight is the best way to train your body, strengthens your muscles, improves your bones, and looks after your joint health at the same time. So well done. Now what you could do, since you're nice and warm, if you want to, do my 5-minute standing arm toning workout. No equipment needed. It is incredible for your arms. If you want to just leave it at that today, then click in the description down below for my cool down stretch. There's your high five and well done. We've just done 15 minutes walking at home.